A couple of weeks ago, I showed you how to make a three-sided mandala. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a six-sided mandala in PROcreate. And it's actually pretty much the same process, but we're going to accentuate the six sides this time. So we'll go up to the wrench/spanner, which is the Actions menu. We'll go to Canvas, Drawing Guide, and I'm going to tap on Layer 1 and put on Drawing Assist. That's third from the bottom there. And then I am going to use the model line brush that we created a few weeks ago. It's currently at 5%. I'm just going to draw a line going down the bottom there. Then I'm going to hit the transformation menu. That's the arrow. I have under snapping, I've got magnetics and snapping both on. And I'm going to center this. Now, the reason it jumped like that is because I have a distance of 20. My velocity is 6.1. That seems to work out for me really well. Let's duplicate layer 1. And then I'm going to move it over by 2 ticks. So 30 degrees. 15, 30. And we'll duplicate the original layer 1 again. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to duplicate it one last time. And we go all the way to 90 degrees. And then we merge these together. I'm just going to pinch them. And then I'm going to duplicate it again. Hit the transform menu. Flip it horizontally. And then merge those two layers together. And there we have our template. I'm now going to change my cursor color to a gray color, well, my brush color, because I want to connect like this. Now you remember on the three-sided, we went all the way up to the top here. But we're not going to do that this time. I want to accentuate the fact that it has 6 sides. So there we go. We will put our brush color back down here to black. I'm going to click on the N on layer 1 and turn down the opacity. I'm going to start up a layer 2. I'm going to go back up to the Actions menu. And I'm going to do an Edit Drawing Guide. That's right here. We'll go over here to Symmetry. Go to Options. And we want quadrant symmetry. Not rotational, but the assisted drawing needs to be on, just like you see here. I'm going to change the opacity from 41 to somewhere around 80%. We'll give that a done. And that way we can see the bold black lines going up, down, left, right. And using this same monoline 1 and that same rose brush that we created, this flower is at 13%, and I want to fit it in between these lines. Go down a little bit more. I like there. And then we'll go back over here to the monoline 1. And I'm going to come up here to 31% because I want to create a circle that's going to go over here. We will edit that shape and just make sure that it's in this corner and overlapping that line slightly. And I want to make sure to fill that in there, and didn't quite get it all the way around. And then I'm going to put little dots in here. And yeah, we'll end up putting one there in the center. Let's go back down here to 5%. We're going to connect the dots going across. And yeah, I don't really want to put a dot in the middle there. I think that looks good. So we have our basis there. And it's not letting me resize. I have noticed if I go back to the gallery and then back in again, it lets me resize again. So I don't think that it is my screen protector. I think that it's the program. All right, so we're going to start here from the middle. And I want that to overlap this line ever so slightly. There we go. And you don't have to just alternate these left and right. You can do that too. I'm doing the 2-finger tap on the screen to undo anything. And I think this is where we're going to direct towards our flower from. Too much overlap on that. And I'm going to go up here to 10% to put little dots going around my little heart here. Yeah, that looks nice. Then we can go back down to the 5%. And I'm just filling in the extra spaces here. Alright, so that only took 10 minutes. And we're going to duplicate layer 2. And we're going to tick its rotation all the way down like that. You notice it says 60 degrees. We'll duplicate that, and we will move it 60 degrees the other way. You can see where it says 60 right there. And we have a fairly quick and easy 6-sided mandala that we can color in or leave the way it is, however you want to do it. I hope this has helped you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.